Welcome everyone to another episode of Science Genius. Today we shall be looking at IQ, intelligence quotient, and EQ, emotional quotient. So let's get started. These two distinct types of intelligence significantly influence our lives in different ways. IQ measures a person's ability to analyze, reason, and solve problems, typically assessed through standardized tests focusing on mathematical, linguistic, and spatial skills. In contrast, EQ revolves around understanding, using, and managing our emotions effectively. This emotional intelligence helps us navigate social complexities, make personal decisions that lead to positive outcomes, and empathize with others. Traditionally, IQ has been seen as a key determinant of academic and professional success. However, EQ is gaining recognition for its critical role in how we interact with others and lead fulfilling lives. Both forms of intelligence are essential, playing unique roles in our personal and professional spheres. Understanding these differences is crucial in appreciating how they contribute to our overall success and well-being. Despite their distinct pathways, IQ and EQ are complementary. A high IQ can lead to remarkable academic and professional achievements, but without a strong EQ, an individual might find social interactions and emotional management challenging. Conversely, someone with high EQ might excel in leadership and teamwork, but could benefit from a higher IQ in tasks requiring analytical thinking. This introduction sets the stage for a deeper exploration of how these two types of intelligence function and influence our lives. Moving on to the importance of IQ, often heralded as a critical factor in achieving academic and technical success. IQ is considered a strong predictor of success in fields that demand rigorous analytical thinking and problem-solving skills, such as mathematics, science, and engineering. Individuals with high IQ tend to excel in these areas as they can process information swiftly and identify patterns that others may overlook. Moreover, in our rapidly evolving technological landscape, IQ is indispensable. In professions that involve complex system analyses or technical design, a high IQ is an invaluable asset. It enables individuals to adapt to new technologies and innovate, propelling industries and scientific research forward. This cognitive prowess is not merely about processing speed or knowledge retention. It's about applying logical reasoning to solve challenging problems. However, it's important to note that IQ is not the sole predictor of success. While it can open doors to educational and professional opportunities, it does not guarantee personal satisfaction or effective interpersonal relationships. This limitation of IQ brings us to the significance of EQ in other areas of life, which we will explore in the next section. Now, let's discuss the power of EQ, which is equally important, especially in how we manage our relationships and emotional health. High EQ enables individuals to recognize their own emotional states and those of others, fostering empathy and effective communication. This emotional awareness is crucial in both personal relationships and workplace environments, where teamwork and collaboration are often keys to success. In leadership roles, EQ is indispensable. Leaders with high EQ can inspire and motivate their teams, handle stress effectively, and make decisions that consider the emotional and human aspects of their organization. This ability to connect with others on an emotional level can lead to better organizational outcomes and a more harmonious workplace culture. Furthermore, EQ plays a vital role in personal development and mental health. Individuals with high EQ are generally better equipped to handle stress, recover from emotional setbacks, and maintain a positive outlook on life. The impacts of IQ and EQ, it becomes clear that emotional intelligence contributes significantly to a well-rounded, successful life. Section 4. Comparing impact IQ and EQ in the real world. When examining the effects of IQ and EQ on personal and professional success, it's evident that both have their merits but function best when integrated. For instance, consider the healthcare field. Doctors with high IQs are excellent at diagnosing and treating medical issues, but those with high EQs excel in communicating effectively with patients and understanding their emotional responses to health issues. In the corporate sector, employees with high IQs may excel in strategic planning and data analysis, but without sufficient EQ, they might struggle with team dynamics and leadership. The integration of EQ allows for better management of staff and client relationships, which is crucial for long-term business success. The synergy between IQ and EQ can also be seen in educational settings. Teachers who possess a good balance of both can effectively impart knowledge while also addressing the emotional and social needs of their students. This holistic approach to education fosters a more inclusive and supportive learning environment. Section 5. Balancing Act, integrating IQ and EQ for success. Achieving a balance between IQ and EQ is essential for full personal and professional development. This integration leads to individuals who are not only smart, but also empathetic, making them valuable in any field. For example, a software engineer needs technical skills, high IQ, to write code, but also requires teamwork and client interaction skills, high EQ, to thrive in their career. Organizations increasingly recognize the need to nurture both IQ and EQ among their employees. Training programs that focus on emotional intelligence skills, such as conflict resolution and empathetic communication, are becoming as common as technical skill development sessions. This holistic approach to employee development enhances both individual and organizational performance. In the educational sector, schools are beginning to incorporate EQ-focused curricula alongside traditional academic learning. This change aims to prepare students not just academically, but also emotionally, equipping them with the skills needed to succeed in a complex, interconnected world. Section 6. Conclusion: the future of intelligence. As we move forward, the interplay between IQ and EQ will become increasingly important in defining personal and professional success. While IQ will continue to represent cognitive capabilities, EQ will play a critical role in how we manage our relationships and emotional well-being. The future will likely see a greater emphasis on developing both types of intelligence from a young age, fostering individuals who are not only intellectually capable, but also emotionally intelligent. The balance between IQ and EQ is not just beneficial, it's essential. As the world becomes more complex and interconnected, the ability to combine analytical thinking with emotional understanding will be more valuable than ever. Embracing both aspects of intelligence will lead to more innovative, empathetic, and effective leaders and citizens, shaping a brighter future for all. In conclusion, while IQ and EQ each have their strengths, it is their synergy that will pave the way for a more comprehensive approach to success and fulfillment in the 21st century.